Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me.
All right, kids, this doesn't look like anything. It's my prototype. I wanted to share with you how I made this little pocket. This is a great pocket for a small card. I made a smaller version with a flap a little bit ago, but I just loved how, I don't know, my vision for this. So this looks pretty plain, I know. Bear with me. I'm going to use this amazing paper from Celebration. It's called a Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper. It's stunning, wouldn't you say? I love this paper. And I need a piece of 8.5 by, or sorry, 8 by 5.5. I will be scoring at 2 1/8 on both sides. All right, and then I'm just going to flip it, just looking at the way the pattern is going, and I'm going to score at half on the bottom. All right, so I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. All right, so I'm going to take a little wedge and I'm going to cut away this lovely paper. It's a shame. I hate cutting into it when it's this gorgeous. Okay, done. I'm going to run a little bit of adhesive down this side. And a little adhesive around that side. Fold it, and fold it. There's my pocket made. I have the pretty label punch, and I'm going to open its opening. Put the punch in the pocket if you can wrangle it. Okay, that's all I need. There we go. So it just has a little bit of an opening there. And like I had to sort of depress this so that the paper could get on. All right, so this is the fun part. I thought I would make a gorgeous belly band. So I know you're thinking, well, that's not too gorgeous. All right, so I just have a, what is this? 3/4 inch strip of Whisper White. And I am just going to fold it around itself. Little bit of adhesive. Of course, I'm never normal, so I always like to cut the belly band at an angle. All right, so there you go. Now, this is the fun part. I made some floofy butterflies. Can you see the dimension on those? So I thought what I would do is make a belly band of floofy butterflies. Fluttering, if you will. So I'm going to show you how I did that with my last one. I have a piercing mat that has never been pierced. So if all you have is the take your pick tool, that works perfect. There's a big ball and a small ball or stylus. So you want the big one. And all you're going to do is gently do small, tiny circles around the inside of each of the wings. What you're doing is breaking down the fibers and coaxing the paper to your will. Can you see that? Like that's one side of a floofed butterfly and one side that's not. It looks real, doesn't it? Okay, I know. See, could you see where I was going with this now? All right, so just take your stylus here, go around tiny circles. Try not to push too hard. You don't want to break it. And then I'm going to take my floofy butterfly and on the opposite side, I'm going to draw on the body so that the body depresses in. And there you can make a floofy butterfly. So I'm going to take my stylus tool and bring out my pokey tool. Oh my God, they're so pretty. So I just cut them out of the paper, in case you're wondering. You know me, I don't have a problem with fussy cutting. Or maybe you didn't know. All right, I'm going to put that little glue dot there. Put one little floofy butterfly there. Yeah, I think just about anybody would like to get this now, that all the butterflies are floofed up on it. So pretty. Okay, there we are. So there's my little belly band for this guy. And the nice thing is, you know, I can write in a little note, put the note inside. This could be for lunches, this could be for a birthday. Love it. So there is my project for today. I know it's really simple, but you know what? Simple things are sometimes the most gorgeous, right? Anyway, thanks so much for joining me. Bye.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.